when an agency is given a budget, because one of the problem of UP for 2022 fiscal year is the underutilization. And so Shelo Magno said na, UP is really inefficient in doing their budget management. Okay. Bakit inefficient? Because Professor Shelo Magno agreed that when an agency receive a budget, you are supposed to exhaust your budget within that fiscal year. Professor Shelo Magno had an opportunity to debunk the kinastos 11 days, 125 million, bakit? Ganyan. And then, Heidi Mendoza is also explaining na sa totoong buhay naman kasi talaga, mahirap naman talagang magbigay ng mga ano-ano dyan. Mahirap naman talaga yung mga documents, medyo kakalapin mo naman pa talaga yan. Talaga hindi mo naman yan magagawa ng ganun kabilis. They admitted that. But they cannot apply that argument because it will definitely defend the office of the Vice President.